This 5-minute solution will show you how to change Instagram account username. Follow these easy steps to change your Instagram username. Go ahead and jump into your Instagram profile page. Here tap on edit profile and tap on username. Now cut your current username and here write your new username. And now all you have to do is just tap on done. And here we can see my account username has been successfully changed. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.